Three slips, a gully, a point, mid-off, mid-on, short leg, and then a fine leg. And the butterflies must be belting around his stomach at the moment.
It would be. Just trying to think back, about 20 bowlers on their debut with a wicket first ball. Nathan Lyon is one. Richard Illingworth another.
Naseem Shah at 16 with ball in hand at the Gabba. Wasim Akram joins us. A proud moment for the whole country, I would imagine. Was at the moment.
I can imagine what he must be going through, the excitement, the nervousness.
I've got a knife. Yep.
34 for none.
Beats the diving point fieldsman. Warner's looked in great touch this morning. Second ball was quickest of the test match so far at 147 kilometres an hour. Worked fine by Burns.
That wicket have changed completely from yesterday morning to today. It looks a good deck now.
Yeah, be a good runner to be good.
And head is still, that's so important for any young bowler.
See, that's beautiful. Good follow through. Front arm goes over the side screen behind the keeper and then goes over the back. Is it just me, Howie, or is there a bit of DK?
And straight through. The keeper just died on him late. Rizwan.
Okay, so Steve Waters said, just run in the ball quick. And if you do that, you know, we've got guys that can back it up. McGrath obviously from one end. I reckon that's what someone like a Naseem Shah, he's also not just a quick bowler. He's got a beautiful action, got great control. So I think he can do both. But all he needs is one wicket here. If he gets one wicket, that's
Australian. Now it's a good bouncer. And there's the stare. A 16-year-old saying to David Warner, have a bit of that.
And Warner's probably saying, go at the school, champ.
That's great. He's not intimidated by someone like David Warner, who's played a lot of Test cricket, has a great record. And you're right, Howie, that was a good bouncer, well directed.
Well played too.
Warner played it beautifully.
Good contest. And it's a couple of these quicks in the Pakistani side. They haven't had time yet to get...
More short stuff to finish the over. Naseem has another look at David Warner, so a bit of short stuff in that over.